Basilica of Mission San Carlos Borromeo de Carmelo, also known as, or commonly known as, the Carmel Mission. I'm going to be taking a tour of the Carmel Mission, and this tour is going to be about the history, the founding, the description, and how it is used today. Let's get started. The Carmel Mission was founded June 3rd, 1770 by Father Junipero Serra. He made this mission his headquarters out of the 9 missions that he founded in his lifetime. Many wonder why he made this mission his headquarters. Well, if you've ever been to Carmel, then you know that it's one of the nicest coastlines in all of California. One reason why Father Serra put the mission here in Carmel is because it had great soil and nice weather for crops. Another reason why he put it here in Carmel is because it created a very peaceful atmosphere at the mission. The last reason why he put it here was because it was close to fresh water, the Carmel River. In 1834, the mission was closed down by the Mexican government and stayed that way for 50 years. During that time, the mission fell into disrepair and looked awful. It looked so awful that there was even weeds growing inside the church. This happened because there was no roof, because it rotted away. In 1859, the mission was given back to the Catholic Church by the United States. In 1930, Harry Downey dedicated his life to restoring the mission to its original look. When Harry Downey died, he was buried in the cemetery right outside the Basilica of the mission, due to his honorable work restoring several of the California missions. Here's another interesting factoid that not many people know. Right now I'm standing in front of the Royal Presidio Chapel in Monterey, California. The Royal Chapel was founded in 1770 by Spanish colonizers. This was Father Serra's first home prior to the founding of the Carmel Mission later in 1770. Many consider this California's first mission. The Royal Presidio Chapel, also known as the San Carlos Cathedral, is active and open to the public. There is also a private Catholic school. In 1784, just 14 years after the founding of the Carmel Mission, Father Serra died. He was buried in the beautiful basilica right behind me. After he died, Father Fermin Lasuen took his place as Father President and ran the Carmel Mission until he died in 1803. His wish was to be buried at the foot of the altar right next to Father Junipero Serra at Mission Carmel. Now I'm going to tell you a little bit about how the mission was constructed. Right now I'm standing next to the basilica at the mission. The walls of the basilica are 5 feet thick. The walls are made from adobe, but they're covered with limestone from the nearby Santa Lucia Mountains. The material that holds them together is made from mortar found in lime in abalone shells found on the beach. Here's some adobe sticking through the sandstone now. Here's an example of adobe bricks when they're not covered in sandstone. Adobe is made from rocks, sticks, sand, and water, all baked in the sun. Adobe is the reason why the walls of the mission are 5 feet thick. If you look up close, you can see the rocks and the dirt mixed in the adobe. One of the most interesting architectural features of the Carmel Mission is the Moorish window right over the basilica right above me. One reason why the Moorish window is so interesting is because it is actually a circle and a square put together at an angle. Another reason why it's so interesting is because on summer solstice, The sun shines directly through the little hole in the center and shines right over Father Junipero Serra's grave. Those are some interesting facts about the Moorish window on the Carmel Mission. Another architectural feature of the mission is the bell towers. There are 2 of them. This is the larger one. Each bell tower ranges from 4 to 11 bells. We were fortunate enough to hear them ring today. The Carmel Mission is the most restored mission of all of the California missions. The beautiful basilica is used for religious ceremonies, prayer, and weddings. There has also been a school developed around the mission called the Father Junipero Serra School. Also, for a small fee, you can take a tour of the mission and learn about its history, the Catholic Church, and the founding of all 21 missions. I think it's a mission that everyone should come and see.